दोस्तों नमस्कार। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल निफ्टी से आगे में। दोस्तों, कल मैंने जैसा आपको बताया था कि 14,500 के नीचे हम नीचे, 14,600 के ऊपर हम ऊपर। तो दोस्तों, मार्केट आज जब खुला तो मार्केट ने किसी को भी मौका नहीं दिया पोजीशन बनाने का, क्योंकि मार्केट खुला ही 14,300 पे। और 14,300 पे जब मार्केट खुलता है तो कोई भी पुट की पोजीशन लेने से पहले आपको बहुत सोचना पड़ता है। लेकिन फिर भी अगर कुछ दोस्तों ने पोजीशन अगर बनाई होगी 14,500 की पुट को अगर तुरंत बाई किया होगा तो उनको अच्छा खासा फ़ायदा 1 घंटे में हुआ, अगर वो अपनी पोजीशन से निकल गए तो। और दोस्तों, मार्केट ने एक अहम जो लेवल है, जो लास्ट टाइम मार्केट ने लो बनाया था 14,250 का, उस लेवल को भी तोड़ा और उसके बाद 14,200 को भी तोड़ा। लेकिन 14,200 के बाद 14,191 से मार्केट ने सपोर्ट लिया। और वहाँ से अगर आप देखेंगे तो मार्केट ने अच्छी खासी रिकवरी लास्ट के 1 घंटे में की दोस्तों। पर एक बात ध्यान रखें, ये जो रिकवरी है इसको आप ये न माने कि ये रिकवरी से जो इंडेक्स है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बाउंस करके बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर जाने वाला है। दोस्तों, टुडे द निफ्टी ओपन गैप डाउन। इट ओपनड एट 14,300 and hardly gave any chance to any put buyer. Some of my friends who would have quickly taken a decision to buy 14,500 put would have made good profits in the next 1 hour, wherein the Nifty breached 14,200 and took support around 14,190 and did a good comeback also in the dying hours. But friends, as of now, this comeback cannot be termed as a bullish comeback. This is almost a dead cat bounce and also an opportunity for the large players to trap call buyers and lure them into buying calls. Friends, my view is very clear. Below 14,500 we can see more downside, as was my earlier view that within this expiry or maybe by the coming Friday, which is next day of the expiry on 23rd, we may be seeing levels of 14,000 and below, and that is how things are at this moment. So in case of any gap up tomorrow, which as of now seems very less probable, but still if there is any small bounce back, it should be taken as an opportunity to clear your call side positions if you have any. Although my view is that Nifty would try to fill the gap which it has created today, but it will not be successful to breach 14,500 for this particular week. It would probably somewhere between 14,450 and 14,500 it will reverse back and might give a bigger fall than today and may breach even 14,200 tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, friends, is a holiday. So in case you are planning to take a position for the expiry, remember day after tomorrow is a holiday and your premiums can decay very fast. अगर आप कोई भी कॉल की पोजीशन कल की बाउंस के ऊपर बनाते हैं तो दोस्तों आपको निश्चित रूप से नुकसान होगा, आप उससे बचें। पुट की पोजीशन भी अगर आप बनाते हैं एक्सपायरी के लिए तो उसमें भी आपको ख़ास फ़ायदा नहीं होगा दोस्तों कल, क्योंकि परसों बंद है और उसके अगले दिन हो सकता है बड़े प्लेयर्स निफ्टी को 14,500 के आसपास के लेवल पर ले जाएं, क्योंकि ये वो लेवल है इस हफ्ते के लिए 14,500, जहाँ पे कि जितने कॉल और पुट बायर्स हैं उनको सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान आज के दिन दिखाई पड़ता है। तो दोस्तों अगर आप कॉल या पुट के बायर हैं तो सिर्फ कल इंट्राडे में काम करें, अपनी पोजीशंस ओवरनाइट ना रखें इस हफ्ते के लिए, वरना आपको फ़ायदा होने की चांसेस बहुत कम हैं। अगर आप कॉल राइटर हैं तो आप सेफली 14,600 की कॉल को कल किसी अच्छे लेवल पर, जहाँ पर भी थोड़ा बाउंस मिले, वहाँ से आप उसको राइट कर सकते हैं। The call for 14,600 for this week ending 22nd April might expire worthless, and hence tomorrow if you get any element of bounce in the first 1 hour, which is by 10:15, if you see a bullish pattern, wait for some time and then you can safely write the call for 14,600. It is going to expire worthless as per my view. Friends, this is neither a buy sell call nor an advice to put in your money. It's your hard earned money. You should look at various indicators also, and you should use your own wisdom, because it is after all your money, and the profit you make will also come to you, but the losses is something which also you have to bear. My aim, friends, is to make you very clearly aware that if you are a call buyer or a put buyer, do not carry your position overnight tomorrow. Otherwise, there is very little chance of you making profit on either sides. And my view for the expiry as well as the next day to expiry is very clear, that Nifty now can breach 14,000 anytime, and once it breaches 14,000 it will either take support at 13,960, and if that support is broken, then you can see any kind of level. Market will start going places after that. You really don't know what levels you can see. You can even see 13,800 levels also. But as per my reading of the data by big players, they are betting on 14,000 as well as 15,000, which means they are working on a range between 14,000 and 15,000 for April expiry. So it might so happen that they might make the market reverse from 13,960 back into action to benefit from the 14,000 put as well as the 15,000 call, which they would have written at a higher level, and from where they are already into handsome profit. But now their aim would be to take the premium for 14,000 put also, and hence my view that market may bounce back from 13,960. But remember, the bounce back may not be so great that buying a call at 13,960, which is in the money, can really give you big profits, because they might not take the market very high also. So friends, now after consolidating in a range of 14,700 or 14,500 to 15,000. Today we have finally broken the levels and broken to the downside. Now, to me, it seems that for the balance period of April expiry, the range would be between 14,000 and 14,500 for the coming week, and you might see levels below 14,000 also, because friends, as you know, coronavirus cases are increasing day by day and increasing exponentially, and that's the reason why I am also now continuously wearing a mask, and so do I expect all of my friends to remain safe. Friends, we have a very fragile medical infrastructure, so we need to take care of ourselves and we need to be safe ourselves, because no government or no infrastructure can actually take care of such a demand. Demand has become far bigger than supply. So, friends, try to be safe as much as you can. And also, for tomorrow, the view is very clear. Market may try to bounce back, but it will give up around 14,450 to 14,500, which is a point where you can safely write 14,600 call and 14,000 put also. If you are an aggressive trader, you can write 14,000 put also. But remember, friends, writing a put would always carry the risk, because the markets are trading into an uncharted territory and uncertainty is looming large. So I would never suggest anybody to sell a 14,000 put unless you have a proper knowledge about the price action. But you can certainly sell a 14,600 call if you would have probably looked at my program of pledging 1000 Nifty Bs and taking part collateral, 50% collateral from there and 50% of cash to write an OTM call. So, OTM call for this week for my friends who are into that strategy is 14,600, which is safe enough for you to completely consume the premium and use the profits to invest back in Nifty Bs, which certainly over a long term would give you a bigger benefit. So that's it for today. Hope you have a great day tomorrow. Goodbye, friends.